Welcome to the Ultra Mobile International Rate and Roaming Rate Checker training video. Ultra offers unlimited calling to over 90 countries and reduced roaming and international calling rates to all other countries. You can easily look up international calling rates to any country by clicking on your toolbox here, and then using this option here, international rates. So for example, if I look up the Dominican Republic, it's unlimited to landlines on all plans. But if I select different plans above, it will show me the amount of minutes included in that plan to call mobile phones. So in this example, it's showing that I would get 90 minutes per month to mobile phones included on the 15 gigabyte plan. And for your customers who travel internationally, Ultra has you covered as well. Ultra recently reduced roaming rates to over 200 countries, including India, China, Brazil, and many more. Simply click international roaming rates and enter the desired country. So in this example, we're going to search Nigeria. And when a customer travels to Nigeria, they can use voice, SMS, and data at the rates displayed here. For Mexico and Canada, roaming is free and included on 3 gigabyte plans and above. So you will see here that it's unlimited voice and text with a data rate of 2 cents per megabyte. Roaming credit is a one-time credit added at the time of activation. The good news is you can always add more roaming credit if needed with the Ultra Mobile app or online. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing SimPro.